What does cloud-based mean and why is it good? Cloud-based means web-based. The servers and hosts of your ERP are on Odoo's server and you connect over the web through a website or an app. This is better than the traditional on-premises hosted model for a few reasons. 1. A traditional ERP system requires a server, usually not a cheap one. They're easily $15,000, and you need someone to support that hardware, upgrade it over time, and replace parts as they fail. 2. Connecting to that server from outside of the office, usually at hotels or conferences, things like that, requires something called a VPN or a virtual private network. It basically tricks the computer you're using into thinking that it's connected to the server that's in the next room. Internet speeds are generally going to be slower than a direct network connection, and that means that your ERP session will not be as reliable as it is as when you're in the office or on site. 3. Generally speaking, ERP systems are built for Windows-based machines. So if you're on a Mac, then you might have to set up either a remote connection to another machine or set up a virtual machine on your computer. Either way, not a great way to work. Odoo is different. It's cloud-based. There are no servers to install or to maintain. It's light and fast. It works on any platform, Windows, Mac, Linux, even on phones and tablets like iPads. You can access Odoo and work anywhere there's an internet connection. Contact me today and let's schedule a demo. Thanks.